Do you want to set up JonBot's logging system? Then you're in the right video. Welcome to the JonBot channel. On this channel, we explain how to use JonBot to perfection. The logging system allows you to list actions of modification, deletion, or addition on your server, especially regarding server configuration, but also certain actions performed by members or moderation actions. First, go to your server with JonBot. If you don't know how to do that, watch the corresponding video. Next, enter the /command dashboard and click the button. You will then arrive at your Discord server's dashboard. Look for the logs category and enable the system. Make sure that JonBot has permission to view the logs. We will do this together. Go to your Discord server settings, then roles. Select the JonBot role. Go to permissions and make sure it has the administrator permission. If you don't want to give it to him, you can simply grant him permission to view the logs. Then you can customize the color, which will appear on the system's embed. It's just an aesthetic detail. Then, you can choose a global log channel. This is where all the server logs will be sent. To get the list of all existing logs, it's right here under events. You'll have all of that. There are many, including creation, modification, deletion events, and member events. You need to enable everything if you want to have all the logs, and then you can select on a case-by-case basis. We're going to create a dedicated channel and choose that channel. You can choose channels to be ignored by the system. For example, if a user deletes a message in a channel defined here, the bot will not take that into account. Save and you're done. Next, you'll have more options. If you simply want all message-related events to be sent in specific channels, you can easily create a new channel called Message Logs, and you can just click here to find it, for example. You can do this for many events. There you go. I hope this video was helpful to you. If so, feel free to subscribe and leave a like. See you soon.